I'm Ronnie from Ronnie's Garage, and we're holding our monthly tech meet. Today we're going to be working on a Silver Shadow electric door lock, 1972. So we've got this upper linkage is disconnected. We got 3 wires, and somebody has tied them to this. You can see that the car has these little metal clips to hold wires in place. It's really cool. These are the wires for the door lock. It's impossible to mix them up because they are, I spoke too soon. Oh, this is a ground. You got two purple wires usually, but you got a male and a female, so you can't mix up the direction polarity. Somebody has put a zip tie on this, which is not usually on one of these. So I gotta figure it out. That was on there, holding this little harness. There's our harness is disconnected. There is also a linkage down inside that hooks up. This is your door latch. So there's another rod that goes, watch this. I'm pushing the other rod and you can see this goes up and down, right? So there's a bell crank down in the bottom. So it's like a lever, goes like this to operate the locking part of this. So I'm going to disconnect it from that, and usually I take something like this that has a broad surface with a gap in the middle, and then I just go and I twist it out, usually. There it is. Okay, now we got this linkage undone. See, this has a little, it goes into a plastic ferrule also. All right. We're almost out. Now, it's held in with these 3 bolts here. On the back door, it's a little bit different. It has a plate that holds it on. But there's one in each door. And be careful, there are little nuts and washers. These are 1032s, so you can always replace them with something. And I think this doesn't have, this has a caged nut, which, because it's inaccessible to get to the nut in the back, I'm pretty sure this one has a caged nut, yeah. You go, what the hell is a caged nut? That's somebody in an asylum. So a caged nut is something like this. This is actually pressed in. A lot of times they'll have a plate over the back that hold it so it floats around. There's your door lock solenoid. You want to hold that for a second, Chuck? Some solid mechanism there, right?
Looks like something on a little bell phone. Was that door lock what was not working, or?
It wasn't working all the time.
I see.
And what happens is corrosion builds up inside of them, and they get frozen and stuck in place. So, look. I guess we're ready to move on down to the bench, and I'll show you how you fix these things. Okay?